Hello, welcome to my channel. Now I'm going to show you how to install Visual Studio in your system. So open Chrome and type Visual Studio Code. Click on the download link here and then you can see the options, the download options for Windows, Mac, Ubuntu. So click on Windows. It gets automatically installed now. By the time, as you all know, the Visual Studio Code is such a platform where you can use any languages you want for programming. It's very easy and more user friendly. It gives you a great experience while you're using it. So yeah, it's about to download. Okay. Yeah. Now just click on I accept the agreement. Click on next and please enable all these boxes and then click on next. Then click on install. It will get installed into your system. It installs very fast. No need to, it doesn't take much time here. Yes, it got installed now. So just click on finish. Yeah. Now the Visual Studio Code gets automatically opened here. So you can see your recent files here, but these are my recent files. So I'll just minimize it. Now, yes, as I chose that option, so I can you can see that Visual Studio Code icon has been displayed, in your desktop page. So it's quite easy to use it now. So that's all about how to install your Visual Studio Code into your system. Yeah, let's look into it in the next video.